Nature Stinks, written by Kira Fried. Stinky nature. If you if you ever if you've ever smell a skunk, you know it is not a nice odor. In fact, it's terrible. Did you know that both plants and animals can smell bad? Stinky plants smell bad to get helpful insects to come near. Stinky animals often smell bad to keep enemies away. Smelling bad helps both plants and animals stay alive. Stinky furry animals. Skunks are well-known smelly animals. When enemies get close, skunks lift their tail and spray a stinky liquid. Striped polecats are cousins of skunks. They stink even worse. Lizards and either are at least 4 times as stinky as a skunk. They shoot a smelly liquid at their enemies. Opossum pretend to be dead if an enemy is near. They stay still and let out stinky green slime. Wolverine make a smelly liquid to keep other animals away from their home. They also pee on food they don't eat right away. The smell may help them find the food later. It may also keep other animals from eating it. Male and musk ocean fight each other for females. Males use their stinky pee to tell other males to keep away. The pee sticks to their long belly hair and makes them smell terrible. Stinky plants. The cause flowers smell rotten. It makes heat and steam so insects far away will smell it. The plant's bad smell brings flies and beetles near. These insects are looking for rotten meat to eat. Instead of rotten meat, the bug collects powder from the flower and carry it to other corpse flowers. The powder helps more corpse flowers grow. A different stinky plant smells like pop. This plant's bad smell brings beetles that love pop. The smell comes from inside the plant's flowers. Stinky birds. The stink bird mainly eats leaves. Food goes to its crop, the area under its throat, before the stomach. Tiny living things that break down the leaves. This way of eating makes the stink bird smell terrible. Vultures eat animals that are dead and often rotten. When vultures are in danger, they throw up. The stuff they throw up is very smelly. Stinky birds. A type of beetle spray a hot, stinky liquid from the back of its body. The spray can kill many enemies and burn people. Millipedes can't move fast. If an enemy bars them, they curl up and give off a stinky liquid. Some millipedes can even shoot the smelly stuff. Other stinky animals. The common mosquito turtle has another name, stinky pot. It smells bad when other animals disturb it. A stinky yellow liquid comes out of the back of its body. The mink frog also uses smell to stay safe from enemies. It smells like rotten onions. Protecting the nest. The green woolhopper lives in Africa. The female makes a bad smell to protect her nest. She sprays a dark, stinky liquid to keep enemies from getting too close. Good and stinky. Being stinky helps many plants and animals stay alive. For plants, the bad smell brings harmful insects. For animals, the bad smell may keep enemies away or help in other ways. Stinky steam, spray, throw up, slum, and pee all help living things stay alive.